went to 3 countries in the House of Representatives where we have a lot of kababayans. I would say partly it's because of that one bill that is on the foreign divorce, because we have so many kababayans who are married to foreigners. But we also realize that so many of our kababayans are married to Filipinos, and that therefore their need would be a regular divorce or dissolution of marriage. And yeah, so we went to Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Japan, and we had hearings in the House, and I have met with so many groups espousing divorce, and the stories are so sad. Like I hear one story, I think, wow, this is the worst, and I'll hear another story about mostly women, but of course it applies to both. Women who, after their husbands have left them, beaten them up, had another family, had other wives, they're still supporting that man, because under the law, they are required to support that man. And even in this particular story, even her grown children were saying, "Nay, iwanan mo na si tatay." Pero she feels that she has a legal obligation, a moral obligation, until ma-divorce siya. Ba't sabihin niya, ba't hindi annulment? Kasi sa annulment, some of them don't want to avail of it because wala naman daw silang psychological incapacity to fulfill their obligation. So, hindi naman daw, pinaninindigan nila na hindi sila pasok doon. You can, as soon as we start discussing it, I know that my Facebook will be flooded with questions on divorce. Kahit anong topic ang pag-usapan, lagi meron pa rin yung bumabalik na divorce. And all over the country, during the campaign, I was answering immediately about it. Last na, I have to go. But we can discuss this